Hi guys, so today I'm flexing my crochet beach skirt that I made for myself. And I'm also showing you how I made this because one of my friend requested me to make another one which is a bit smaller for her daughter. So I'll show you how I made my crochet beach skirt. So I'm using a different color because I don't have that color anymore. So now we will start making a chain which is our foundation for the skirt. So we will make a long chain which is enough for the edge of our skirt, or you can make it more long if you want it a wider edge of your skirt. So now we will start our first row, which is the treble crochet. So I will show you how I make that treble crochet. Yarn over twice and then insert your hook and then pull through and then pull through again and then pull through again like 3 times. So that's how we made our treble crochet. So now chain 2 and then treble crochet again. So it's like yarn over twice and then insert your hook in the chain and then pull through again and another one. We will just need to keep repeating that pattern for the first part of the design of our skirt. So now chain 2 and then yarn over again twice, skip 1 stitch and then insert your hook in the second stitch and then pull through twice again. No, 3 times actually, yeah. So that's our the pattern that we'll doing till the end of this row. So now we're done for our first row. We're going to connect the both sides of our skirt. So this is how I connect the two sides of the skirt. I will just do a single crochet to the both of the two sides. Now for the second row, we'll start a chain of 3 and then yarn over twice, and then in the very first stitch we will make our first treble crochet for the second row. And then yarn over again and then treble crochet again. I'm trying to hide the tail along the way. Then our next treble crochet is in the space that we created. So we will skip the 3 stitches or the 3 treble crochet, and then we will put our first treble crochet in the chain, the space of 2. So we will make 5 treble crochet in that space. So we will just keep repeating this pattern till the end of this second row. So now we have that 5 treble crochet in the chain of 2, and then we will skip the 3 stitches again, which is the 3 treble crochet, and then we will make 3 treble crochet in each stitch after we skip the first 3. And then again we will repeat the previous pattern, which is the 5 treble crochet in the chain that we created in the first row. So we're making our first treble crochet, the second, third, fourth, and then we completed that row. We're at the end of the second row. So the last stitch that we're going to do is the treble crochet, 3 treble crochet, and then slip stitch, budol na, and then slip stitch. And now we're done for our second row. Sorry, in our third row, I mess up a bit. So it's a chain of 5 and then treble crochet in the same stitch where you start your 5 chain, and then chain of 2 and then skip 2 stitches and then treble crochet 3 times, and then chain again, chain of 2 and then treble crochet and the next stitch, and then chain of 2 and then treble crochet again in the same stitch, so you will create that letter V design, and just repeat that pattern till the end of this third row. So we're almost at the end of this row. So in the fourth row, it's a chain of 3 and then skip 3 stitches, and then we will create 5 treble crochet inside of that letter V. And then after that 5 treble crochet, chain 1 and then 1 treble crochet in the middle of the 3 treble crochet in the previous rows. And this will look like this. And then we will just keep repeating that pattern till the end of the fourth row. So again, in the fourth row, we started a chain of 3 and then skip 3 stitches and then 5 treble crochet inside of that letter V, and then chain of 2 and then skip 3 stitches and then 1 treble crochet, and again chain of 2 and then skip 3 stitches and then 5 treble crochet inside of that letter V. And we're done for our fourth row. So in the fifth row, we will just repeat the pattern, which is the pattern number 3, the row 3. So it's 1 treble crochet and then chain 2 and then treble crochet again in the same stitch to create that letter V, and then chain 2 and then skip 3 stitches and then 3 treble crochet and that next 3 stitches. So we will just repeat that till the end of this row. Again, chain 2 and then skip 3 stitches and then 1 treble crochet and then chain 2 and then treble crochet again at the same stitch to create that letter V, and then chain 2 and then a treble crochet in the next 3 stitches. So this will look like this, and then we will just keep repeating that till the end of this row 5. So we're done for the row 5. So this looks like this for now, and we will just keep repeating the pattern till we reach the desired length of our skirt. So the pattern of this skirt is a repeat pattern. So once you get the first, second, and the third row, you're good to go till the end of the project. And also I am using the treble crochet, which is a very fast pattern. If you are in a hurry to finish your project, you can always rely on that stitch, which is the treble crochet. So we are in a high speed now because I'm in a very hurry, because I wanted to finish this project as soon as possible. So I can start again for another one. There you go, we're almost done. We're almost done. So I recorded the voice tutorial because I miss up a bit. That's why I'm doing this, but I think it will be okay and you will understand the pattern. So now we're almost done for our repeat pattern, and looks like this. And then later on, I will put shirring at the edge of my skirt. So it will looks like a bit fluffy, not very flat. So now I am making the space for the tie that I will put like a belt. So it's chain 2 and then another treble crochet in the next stitch, and then chain 2 and then skip the 2 stitches and then another treble crochet and then chain 2 and then skip the 2 stitches, so it will looks like a square. So there you go, I'm done with that. I am making the chain now. So our chain should be long enough for our waistline. So this is how I made the tie for my skirt. It's a long uh, tie, so it's a chain of two, and then yarn over, and then insert your hook and the two line. It's like the two yarn, and then yarn over and pull through, and then yarn over and pull through. It's called double crochet. So I will repeat. It's a chain of two, and then yarn over, and then insert your hook and that like a two lines of yarn, and then pull over, yarn over and pull over, and then yarn over again and pull through twice. Okay, so chain of two again, and then yarn over, and then insert your hook, and then pull through once, and then yarn over, and then pull through again. So again, it's a double crochet. So repeat that pattern till you reach the desired length of the tie that you want for your skirt. And now we're done for our tie. So we will just insert it in the skirt that we, for the squares that we created. There you go. And we're almost done. And we're done in the waistline. So now I wanted to put the shirring at the edge of my skirt to make it looks fluffy. So the pattern for that is just a single crochet, two single crochet in one stitch. So it will looks like flying away, flying away. So it's I wanted to have a body for our skirt, not to looks very flat. So I created that shirring at the edge of the skirt. So but this is optional only. If you want that plain one, it's fine also. You don't have to add this shirring. So it's a single crochet, two single crochet in each stitch, and then chain of two. That chain of two will create like a pointed tip at the edge of your skirt. So again, it's a single crochet, two single crochet in each stitches, and then chain of two at the space. You consider space, and then again that's chain two will create like a pointed tip at the edge of your skirt. And we're almost done for our skirt. The tail of our yarn, we will just sew it around and tie it tightly. And we're almost done, and we're done. And there you are, it's ready to rampa. So now you can see and understand that flying away edge. Thank you for watching.